Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to create events in Facebook on our device. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We go to Facebook and then go to the lower right corner or to the upper right corner in the menu. Next, go to Events. If you do not have this tab at this point, then click on See More and maybe it will be there. Just look for it. Next, click on Events. And in order to create an event, we need to click on the upper right corner on the plus sign. Then you can add any photo. I'll have a photo like this. Save. Then write an event name. Let it be such a name for us. Then you can choose date. Change time, year. You can also add when the event ends, in what year, what time. Okay, next, personal or virtual events. You can find your location or virtual. These are messengers rooms, Facebook Live, external link, other. Let's choose messenger rooms. Done. Next, who can see it? Here you can choose private, public, friends. I will have private. You can also invite your friends. Let's turn it on. Next, in this field, you can specify some details. And we can also add a WhatsApp group for invite. You can also add co-hosts, that is, one of your friends. We can repeat this event, that is, every week, day, when it ends, and so on. There are also additional settings. We can allow guests to share a link to room. Let's turn it on. We press Create Event. We are waiting for it to load. And we have created such an event. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.